Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Chad. This is the Whistleblower channel. Today I'm going to work on installing some shades for the windows of the tugboat. So what I have here, at least to start with, are some fairly inexpensive shades off of Amazon. I ordered 6, I only need 5, and I'm going to install these on the inside along the window, the tops of the windows here, so that I have a pull down shade to block low sunshine late in the day. So let's get started on this installation. All right, well, hopefully the episode of 2.5 Men on the TV over there is not too loud. I'll show you where I'm gonna mount. I've already got the screw holes marked. So this is gonna mount right about there and pull down over that middle window. And then for these side windows, well, the front quarter windows, I will not have enough room to mount them here, so I'm going to mount them here on this piece, and I'll just pull them down at an angle and they'll attach right down here. So still have plenty of shade and sun blockage, just not enough room to mount them. The sides won't be an issue. Installed. And there we go. You can still see through, and it will block the sun very, very nicely. And to put it back up, and do that, push this button right here. And I apologize that I can't put my phone on a tripod because my tripod broke the other day. But this button right here is what I'm going to push. Push that, and it goes right back up in. That's awesome. So I'm gonna put one right here, and then one on each side. All right, so I'll go ahead and film this last one to get it installed. So what I'm doing first here is measuring the space between the mounting clips here. I'm measuring 2.5 inches off of this end cap on either side. Okay, 2.5 inches, whoops, 2.5 inches measured off each side. Then I set this here, make sure there's no conflict with that front one. And kind of just center it up with the window. Make a little mark for the middle of the clip, and then down about 1/2 inch for the screw. And I'm using some panhead screws here, 1/2 inch panhead screws. They do stick out a little on the other side, but I'm not worried about that. We'll just wrap this up by showing you how this goes in place, right like that. And I'll pull it down right about there, maybe a little bit further. Actually, I don't need a screw on this side because I have Velcro on the wall, so that'll work just fine. All right, let me show you all 5 of them installed. Okay, I've got all 5 window shades installed. So if we take and pull this one down, use the Velcro there to keep that closed. This one here comes down at an angle, just like that. All right, now you have shade from the sun. Obviously a little bit of a gap there and there on either side. But I mean, from most angles, these shades are going to work absolutely perfect for what they're intended for. When the sun is nice and low, warm, late in the day, pull these shades down. You can still see out through them, but they will provide ample shade for the pilot house of the tugboat. The next project is going to be installing a Bimini top on the tugboat. It will basically make this a nice, shady, nice place to be to sit out on the lake in an afternoon. So watch for that episode coming up here in a few weeks. I'm actually going to do that here very soon, probably in the next couple of days. But with the video release schedule, it's going to be a few weeks before that comes out. But keep an eye out for it. Thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel on tugboat renovations, additions, upgrades, whatever you want to call it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos, you got to click that little bell down there. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel, everybody. Happy boating.